We have done it. We scroll through social media, see someone with a better job, a big house, a perfect relationship, and suddenly we feel less successful, less attractive, less enough. But here's the truth: comparison is a thief of joy. Yes, I'll say that again. Comparison is a thief of joy. And if we don't learn to control it, it will quietly steal our happiness, one thought at a time. Hi everyone, welcome back to Aspire Daily TV. In today's video, we'll explore why comparison hurts, how it destroys our peace, and most importantly, how to stop it for good. The very first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is the psychology behind comparison? What is the psychology behind comparison? Humans are wired to compare. It's how our ancestors survived. They survived by checking who was stronger, who was faster, or who was more capable. But in today's world, comparison has shifted from survival to self-destruction. Yes, comparison today has indeed shifted from survival to self-destruction. We compare our behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. You see a friend's vacation photos, not their credit debt. Yes, you see a friend's vacation photos, not their credit card debt. You see someone's success, not their sleepless nights. Forget about what you see. You don't know what happens behind closed door. Social media signifies this. It magnifies it a lot. Studies show that the more time we spend scrolling, the worse we feel about ourselves. Because subconsciously, we start to believe. Remember, you start to believe what you see subconsciously. If they are winning, I must be losing. But life isn't comparison. Life isn't a competition. Life is a journey. Yes, it's a journey. And everyone's path moves to a different pace. Or everyone's path moves at a different pace. The next question you have to ask yourself is, how does comparison steal our joy? How does comparison steal our joy? Comparison doesn't just make us insecure. It creates a circle of unhappiness. Yes, comparison creates a cycle of unhappiness. Yes, what happens? You see someone doing better. You start to doubt yourself. You lose motivation. You stop appreciating your own progress. And before you know it, your joy is gone. The truth is, you can't be grateful and envious at the same time. When your mind is focused on what others have, it blinds you to what you already possess. That is the truth. Comparison also kills creativity. When you're constantly measuring yourself against others, you stop taking risk because you're afraid of not measuring up. But remember this: you can't become your best self by trying to be someone else. I will say that again. You can't become your best self by trying to be someone else. So the next question that comes is, how can we stop comparing ourselves? How can we stop comparing ourselves? Here are 5 powerful ways to break free from comparison. The very first one is shift your focus to growth, not competition. Instead of asking, am I better than them? Ask, am I better than I was yesterday? Your only real competition is you. Celebrate your small wins because progress, no matter how small, is still progress. The second is limit social media exposure. Yes, limit social media exposure. Unfollow accounts that make you feel inadequate. Curate your feed. Follow people who inspire you, not those who drain your confidence. Remember, social media is a highlight reel, not a real life. The third thing is practice gratitude daily. Each morning, list 3 things you are thankful for. It sounds simple, but gratitude rewires your brain to focus on abundance rather than lack. So when you appreciate what you have, comparison loses its power. Take note of that. And the fourth is turn envy into inspiration. Turn envy into inspiration. When you see someone succeeding, instead of feeling jealous, ask yourself, what can I learn from them? Let their success remind you that it's possible for you too. There is enough success for everyone. Yours is waiting for you. And the fifth, accept your unique journey. Yes, you're walking a path no one else can walk. Your timeline, your story, your struggles, they are all part of your purpose. Stop trying to copy someone else's chapter when you're still writing your own. Accept your unique journey. And our final thoughts. Comparison is a thief of joy. It steals your peace, your gratitude, your purpose, and replaces them with doubt. But the moment you stop comparing, you start living. You begin to see your own growth. You begin to feel proud of your story. You begin to find joy again, not in being better than others, but in becoming better than before. So the next time you catch yourself comparing, take a deep breath and remind yourself, my journey is mine. My timing is perfect and my joy is not up for theft. If this message inspired you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it today. Until next time, stay grateful, stay grounded, and remember, your only competition is you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.